Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy egg sandwich using a toaster. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 egg, and a slice of cheese. Don't forget a little butter or cooking spray, along with some salt and pepper to season your delicious creation. This quick meal is perfect for busy mornings or a fast snack. Now let's cook that egg. Carefully crack 1 egg into a small microwave-safe bowl or ramekin. It's important to gently pierce the yolk with a fork. This prevents it from exploding in the microwave. Then, microwave the egg for about 30 to 60 seconds. Keep an eye on it, as cooking times can vary, until it's perfectly cooked to your liking. With your egg cooked, it's time to assemble. Pop your 2 slices of bread into the toaster and toast them to your desired crispness. While they are toasting, you can spread a thin layer of butter or mayonnaise on one side of each slice. Once the bread is ready, simply place your perfectly cooked egg and the slice of cheese between the warm, toasted bread. And there you have it, your super easy, delicious egg sandwich. For an extra burst of flavor, don't forget to add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. You can also get creative by adding a slice of ham, a fresh tomato, or even some avocado. Serve it immediately to enjoy that wonderful, warm, and satisfying experience. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.